Rico, I need to type a letter to my friend Amit. Which computer program should be the best to type a letter?
There are a lot of programs that are used for typing. They are called word processors.
Tell me more about word processor.
Definitely. A word processor is an application software that helps you to type text on a computer. Some of the word processors are WordStar, WordPerfect, WordPad, MS Word, and PageMaker. Of all these programs, MS Word is the most popular. MS Word 2010 is the latest version of MS Word.
Oops, I don't know much about MS Word 2010. Can you teach me about this program?
Sure, MS Word 2010 is a word processing software. It is a part of MS Office 2010. With this software, you can type, edit, format, and print text documents. Switch on your computer and I will show you more about MS Word 2010.
Yes, the computer is now switched on.
Let me show you the steps to open MS Word. First, click on the Start button. Now, click on All Programs. Click on Microsoft Office. Click on Microsoft Office Word 2010. Look, the MS Word screen has appeared.
There seems to be lots of function in this program.
Let me tell you more about the components of MS Word. This is the title bar. The title bar displays the name of the documents. It is present at the top of the Word window. By default, the document is named as Document 1. The title bar has 3 buttons: Maximize, Minimize, and Close. This is the Quick Access toolbar. It is present on the title bar. Common tasks can be done from the bar by just one click of the mouse button. This is the ribbon of the MS Word document. Tabs and groups are 2 parts of the ribbon. Each tab consists of commands that have been arranged in different groups. Look at these buttons and their functions. The font function is used to select the font style. The font size is used to increase or decrease the font size. The bold function marks the selected text bold. The italic function makes the selected text italics. The underline function underlines the selected text. The color function allows you to change the color of the selected text.
The left align text function aligns the selected paragraph or text to the left. The right align text function aligns the selected paragraph or text to the right. The center align text function aligns the selected paragraph or text to the center.
The large white area in which the user can type text, add graphics, and do formatting is called document area. The blinking line in the document area is called the cursor. It tells about the position of the typed text. The status bar shows the correct status like page number, column number, number of words, or zoom option. First, let me tell you about the steps how to create a new document. Click on the File tab, then click on the New option. The New Document dialog box appears. Next, click on the Blank Document option from the Blank and Recent section and click on the Create button. The new document area appears. You can now type anything on the page with the help of the keyboard. Now, let's learn how to save the document. First, click on the File tab. Then, click on the Save button. Then Save As dialog box appears. Type any name for the file in the File Name box. Now click on the Save document. The Word software will automatically add an extension, Docs, to the file name. After the document is saved, the file name appears with the name you have typed on the title bar. Now, supposing you have a document saved in the computer and you want to open that document after starting the computer, how can you do it?
No idea.
These are the steps for opening an existing document. First, click on the File tab. Then, click on the Open option. The Open dialog box appears. Then, click on the file you want to open. Click on the Open button.
Hey Clicko, I'm typing a letter. I have forgotten to add a line between these two sentences. How can I do it?
These are the steps to insert a new line. Place the cursor at the end of the line, after which you want a blank line. Now press the Enter key. You see that a blank line has been inserted. Now you can add whatever you wish to type here.
So each time I press the Enter key, a new line appears.
Yes, Rennie. And if you wish to select a line, you can use Ctrl plus click. In order to select a whole paragraph, triple click on the paragraph.
How can we delete text?
Text can be deleted by selecting the text and then pressing the Delete key. In the same way, a line or a paragraph can also be deleted.
Now that I've completed writing the letter, how can I choose the document?
First, click the File tab. Then, click the Close option. The file is now closed. To exit from MS Word, follow these steps. Click on the File tab. Click on the Exit Word button. The program will close. You may also exit MS Word by directly clicking on the Close button on the title bar. Now that you know how to open, use and close a Word document,